Hey, what's up guys? This is Jacob from MarineMax again. If you're looking for a pontoon that offers excellent recreational entertainment as well as fishing ability, this Harris pontoon is set up exactly for that. As we step onto the boat, you can already tell the two different color clashes. We have the gray with the white interior. Personally, it's one of my favorites. I love the contrast between it, just kind of makes the color pop. You step through the center walkthrough, just notice the open deck space that you have here on this pontoon. This is great in my opinion for if you decide to do any fishing. If you and a couple clients or your family or friends catch a couple fish at the same time, you have plenty of space to be able to lay the fish out, remove the hooks, get them all pictures taken, put them back in. You can see that this one has a double bimini across the whole entire top. This offers great shading for when we're out on our summer days. It gets very ruthless. Our sun is very unforgiving. This boat actually is paired with a changing station right here on the port side of the boat. This offers great privacy for the kids, the wives, if they need to go in there and do any type of changing, use the restroom or so. All right, and then let's make our way over to the helm. This boat is paired with a Clarion audio system. It's already pre-rigged with fishing electronics. It has a Go 7 Simrad on it. The backside of the boat, you can see has two fishing chairs. These are great. They're swivel. You can see one is facing the back, the one is facing forward. You have the full 360 maneuverability, so you can rotate where you want to have the seat, so you can have front facing or rear facing. As we move towards the back on the live well, this live well is set up kind of in a dual purpose way in my opinion. You have the ruler, holes for your lures, fishing hooks, knives, pliers, but then if you're not fishing and you're out the island, you can set it up to use it as a cooler, which offers a lot more use out of it. As you can see, this boat is paired with a 150 horsepower Mercury. This motor moves this boat very well for being a tri-tune. If you have any questions, you want to see the boat, any other information about it, please give me a call. My name is Jacob Wright. Cell phone number is 850-819-9106. Thank you.